cannot buy because we don't have money.
Wait. No, that's mine.
Okay, they want to buy this one? Okay. Pila na siya?
Siya lang ihatata.
How much is it?
Oh, ikaw.
150.
100 please daw.
Ang ipatimbang, let's kilo this. Kana lang eh.
How much is it? Oh, ikaw.
Oh, pay daw, pay daw.
Okay, we're gonna pay sa la check.
Pila? 10?
Okay, isa ka na pa.
Ayo pay sarang. Ayo pay.
Okay, you pay. You say thank you, okay?
Okay, let's go.
How much?
How much? Ay,
Payment.
money.
Masikit-kito na niya. Hugasan na na.
Hindi yun na niya, palitan.